to it, and we need to be able to transport it, et cetera. And Verizon's right smack in the middle of that. A brilliant job during the pandemic and going forward. Tell us about how you're fitting into this ecosystem and enabling all these rich capabilities to happen.
Yeah, thanks, Luke, and good afternoon. I appreciate being part of the panel, and really, really great comments from everybody so far. I love, Nancy, what you said is that technology has been the thing that has helped us get through, the last couple of years in this pandemic. We talk about modernization, and I think it's important we kind of reframe the modernization discussion. Excuse me, modernization is not necessarily an end journey. It is the journey itself. We will be on the modernization path for a number of years to come. It's this continuous effort to modernize and continue to evolve the technologies that are helping us to meet the challenges of today. So to your point, Luke, and to the point of a number of the panelists are making already, we need access to information, and we need access to information in new places and in new ways. So a couple of things I think that Verizon has been working diligently on that we're very proud of is, number one, everybody is in the middle of a migration to a new contract vehicle. So the EIS vehicle is certainly, in flux. We're moving as many folks as we can to that contract as quickly as we can, and it will provide an incredible, suite of services to really help push the modernization efforts forward, to drive secure connections, to drive more access to information, to drive new and evolving technologies, I think, to help many, many agencies really meet the mission and help to support some significant outcomes. I think the other thing that I would be remiss if I didn't touch on is 5G. As we think more and more about a mobile world and being in a hybrid environment, to Jamie's point earlier, we need access to higher bandwidth solutions. We need access to more IoT-driven solutions, more smart connectivity, so that we can share data, we can move information to places where we can more easily access it, and we can make better decisions. So not just the network itself, but also increasing application performance, increasing the speed with which we can get to that data, and how securely it is managed at the edge is really important, and something we put a lot of effort into with machine edge compute. And all of this is wrapped around customer experience. One of the things that I think is the most important goal for us in 2022 and beyond is how are we impacting end user experience for our agencies and for the folks on this call, and then also how are we impacting citizen experience and making that engagement and that interaction easier. And we're excited for that challenge and ready to jump in.